Want to meet 5 amazing words? Well, you have reached the right destination. Let me tell you, word number 3 and word number 2 are my favorites. Word number 3 is a better word, and I hope you will love that too. Well, this is Amit Kumar Mehta, and we are from Team Wordaholics. I have been helping students, working executives, and any curious learner of English language master those difficult vocabulary words since 2015. These words are high frequency words in competition exams, and these words can help you sound sophisticated in your social environment, in your office, in front of your friends, colleagues, and relatives. So these are the words that we are going to discuss today. These are 5 amazing words which you must absolutely know. Starting with the word sardonic. Sardonic basically means mocking, sarcastic, taunting, sharp tongue, harsh. Something that is तिरस्कार करना और निरादर करना is basically sardonic. Antonym is good natured. Pronunciation sardonic. Now, what is the brain friendly mnemonic way, wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the word sardonic on the left hand side and look at the two part of the word we have underlined, sar and don. What do you do when somebody is mocking you? What do you do when somebody is using sharp tongue against you? Look at the visual. You put your sir down. So basically, you put your head down. So if somebody is mocking you, you are getting insulted and you put your sir down. That is how you remember this particular word. It's a sardonic behavior from your side. When you are not liking it, it's a taunting, sharp tongue, harsh behavior from people, and you are putting your sir down because of that. So that is how you remember this particular word. What are the various usages? Looking at the usages for this word, sardonic comment, comment that was mocking in nature. Sardonic illustration, something that is again sarcastic in nature. Sentence 1, BJP in a sardonic tone asked Gandhi family to take Padyatra across the length and breadth of India to gauge the sufferings of the people. It was a sardonic comment. It was a mocking comment. It was just a harsh and sharp-tongued comment from BJP to Congress. Sentence 2, recently Veer Das launched a series of 10-minute YouTube videos that feature his sardonic spin on the current events. He is looking at the same current events but giving a very laughing or a sharp-tongued response to all of those events that are happening. Veer Das is a stand-up comedian. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the next word for the day. The next word for the day, which I told you is my favorite, is satiate. Satiate basically means fully satisfied, quenching, fully stuffed. हिंदी would be तृप्त हो जाना. आप किसी काम को करते करते तृप्त हो जाते हो, that is संतुष्ट हो जाते हो, that is satiate. Satiate basically means antonym would be dissatisfied. So pronunciation is satiate. Satiate is how you pronounce this particular word with a she in between. Satiate. Now, what is the brain-friendly wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the word on the left-hand side, underlined portion, sat, I ate. I was sitting and I ate till my stomach got full. I was sitting and I ate till my stomach got full. That is how you remember this particular word. Look at the visual also. It will help you clarify what I am exactly talking about with respect to this word. Now, what are the various usages? Satiate your taste buds, satiate your needs. Sentence 1, the magazine lists the top 5 places to satiate your pregnancy cravings. You know that during the pregnancy period, there are a lot of cravings women have, and these are the top 5 places where you can go and satisfy or satiate your particular hunger. Sentence 2, the partnership with Amazon will allow handloom weavers to satiate the demand for Indian fashion enthusiasts. The deal with Amazon will help satisfy the demand of the Indian fashion enthusiast, will help them satiate the demand, to satisfy their demand. Sentence, moving on to the next word for the day is satire. But before we start this particular word, let me just tell you all the 1200 words that we have discussed through this particular method is available in the YouTube link below. You can have a look at that and download all the words from that particular link. The third word of the day today is satire. And satire is also something which I told you is a word which I absolutely love. Satire is basically mockery, ridicule, joking, teasing. Is satire is when you are ridiculing something, you are हास्य व्यंग कर रहे हो किसी चीज़ के बारे में, that is satire. आप उसको satire कर रहे हो. Antonym is seriousness. आप किसी की मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, मखौल उड़ा रहे हो और किसी के बारे में serious हो, that is the antonym. Pronunciation is satire. Now, what is the brain-friendly wordaholics way of remembering this particular word, satire? Imagine there is a particular politician who has not done something right, and people are putting a tire on his head. That is satire. They are ridiculing him, they are making fun of him, they are joking about him. उसके बारे में हास्य व्यंग कर रहे हैं because they are putting a tire on his head. सर पे सर ऐसे and tire on his head. So that is how you remember satire. Is basically आप किसी का हास्य व्यंग कर रहे हो and you're making fun of him. Usage is hilarious satire. Veerdas, hilarious satire. Fearless satire. Without fear, mocking somebody. Sentence 1. A Pakistani satirical publication, Khabristan, having 12,156 likes on Facebook, announced its website has been blocked. Satirical publication. Somebody who mocks the politician, somebody who mocks the normal happenings, is a satirical publication. Sentence 2. The film Toiletic Prem Katha is a social satire. It mocks what is happening inside the society. It makes fun of what is happening inside the society, and there is a message to this film also. Toiletic Prem Katha talks of open defecation as one of the biggest problems of India. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own. Moving on to the next word for the day is scaffolding. Scaffolding is basically a temporary structure on the outside of a building. Generally, you will find out when the buildings are being constructed, they build a bamboo scaffolding, a temporary structure on which the laborers climb up and do the work of the house, construction of the building. Hindi would be machan. Antonym, we do not have any scaffolding. How do you remember this particular word? The brain-friendly wordaholics way. Look at the word on the left hand side and the underlined portion. The left hand side words looks like staff, staff, and holding. Imagine your staff is holding something. Imagine the staff of a Mitra Mandal. Dahi Handi in Mumbai, we have Mitra Mandals who keep on climbing one above the other. Imagine they are holding each other and they build a very high rise machan. They build a very high rise machan to break the handi, the Dahi Handi. So that is a temporary platform that they are making, temporary structure which breaks after the Dahi Handi event is over. So that is a scaffolding for you. What are the various usages? Bamboo scaffolding. We have told you about the construction sites. We have bamboo scaffolding. Scaffolding like structure. Sentence 1. A 22-year-old construction worker died on the spot when the scaffolding fell on him at a building under construction. The scaffolding would have been made of steel or iron, and that fell on him and the poor worker died. Sentence 2. 3 of the 4 minarets around Taj Mahal are covered in scaffolding as they are undergoing a mud pack therapy. The Taj Mahal 4 minarets are are under construction because of there is some mud pack therapy going on, and a lot of scaffolding over there of bamboo sticks has been made so that the workers can climb and do the repair work of Taj Mahal. That is scaffolding for you. Moving on to the last word for the day is scavenge. Scavenge is basically when you rummage through, when you search for something, when you hunt desperately, when you are looking for something desperately. Hindi would be ढूंढना. आप किसी चीज़ को ढूंढ रहे हो, that is scavenging. Antonym is hoard, छुपाना. And pronunciation is scavenge. Now, what is the brain-friendly wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the word on the left-hand side and look at the lady, what she's doing. She's basically trying to scavenge the menu of a particular restaurant. What is she trying to find out? She's scanning the menu for veg items. Imagine that is the scenario. Scanning, and veg from the word veg. So these two words if you combine, this lady is trying to scavenge the menu for veg items, and that is how you remember this particular word for a very, very long time, permanently into your memories. What are the usages? Scavenge the grain, manual scavenging for survival. Dogs scavenge the dustbin for food. Sentence 1. Homeless children on the platform scavenge for stale rice, cold dal and any edible food from the train discards which passengers have left. Passengers leave some dustbin, they leave some rice, they leave some dal, and these homeless children, they scavenge for those things, they search for those things and eat that thing in the railways. Sentence 2. Turtles, being carnivorous, can help scavenge half-burnt corpses and naturally aid in cleaning the river water near ghats. Turtles and tortoises, they clean the scavenge of dead people which is being thrown into the rivers. So they are natural scavengers of the environment. With that particular word, we have reached the end of the presentation for today. And as we keep on saying from Wordaholics, keep sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more. If you have not liked this particular page, if you have not given us your suggestions, your comments, your feedback, please do give your suggestions, your comments, your feedback. Those are very, very important for us. They keep on guiding us, they keep on motivating us. And if you have not subscribed it, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you have not watched the playlist, please go and visit the playlist. It contains approximately 200 to 250 words that we have discussed through this particular easy method of learning English words. And because of it, you will start sounding sophisticated in your work life environment. You will be able to impress your friends, society members, friends, relatives, colleagues, and you will be able to score more in any competition exams which requires English as a major component. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure interacting with you.